Do you ever feel like you're struggling to keep up with everything life throws at you? Maybe it's the pressure to succeed at work, dealing with conflicts, or feeling unprepared when situations get tough. Have you ever been in a moment where you didn't know how to stand up for yourself or handle a stressful situation? You're not alone. A lot of men today feel overwhelmed, unsure of their place and uncertain about how to deal with the challenges they face. It's not that they lack strength or intelligence. It's that no one ever taught them the essential skills they need to navigate life confidently. That's what we're here to talk about today. In this video, we'll go over 6 key skills every man needs to master to overcome these problems and face life head-on. So if you've ever felt lost, stressed, or just not sure how to handle the pressure, keep watching. These tips can help you take control, build confidence, and become stronger in every area of your life. No. 1. Knowing how to fight. It doesn't mean you need to be aggressive or always ready for a fight. But having basic self-defense skills is important. No matter who you are, a businessman, a teacher, or an artist. And how to defend yourself can make a big difference. Imagine this: you're walking down the street with someone you care about, and suddenly someone harasses them. What would you do in a situation like that? You need to be able to step up and protect them. You can't just rely on calling the police or hoping someone else will step in. Being able to defend yourself and those you care about is a basic part of being strong. It's about having the confidence that you can handle yourself if things go wrong. But don't mistake this for looking for trouble. Avoiding fights is always the best choice. But if one finds you, it's important to know how to defend yourself effectively. So invest some time in learning self-defense techniques. Whether it's martial arts, boxing, or even just a basic self-defense class. No. To the ability to defuse conflict. This skill complements knowing how to fight. You might be strong and skilled, but that doesn't mean you should always use force. In fact, the strongest men are often the best at calming things down and preventing a situation from escalating. Being able to defuse conflicts means knowing how to talk to people, read the situation, and keep things from getting out of control. Think about it like this: a good leader doesn't just control with strength. He uses calm, firm, and confident words to bring peace. Imagine 2 friends getting into a heated argument. The person who can step in, calm them down, and make everyone see sense is the real leader. Learning how to defuse conflicts is about knowing when to use your strength and when to use your words. It's a skill that shows maturity, patience, and wisdom. No. 3. Having a strong presence. Ever notice how some people just command respect without saying a word? They walk into a room and everyone takes notice. This isn't a magical gift that only a few people have. It's a skill that you can learn and develop. Having a strong presence comes from small habits. Having a firm handshake, making eye contact, and standing up straight with your shoulders back. These small actions can make a big difference. And how people see you. It's about showing confidence, but in a genuine way, not by trying to intimidate others. You don't need to puff out your chest or stare people down. True confidence is calm and steady. It comes from knowing who you are and being comfortable in your own skin. If you want to develop a stronger presence, surround yourself with people who already have it. Watch how they move, speak, and interact with others. Learn from your father, a mentor, or even a friend who has this quality. One of the best ways to build confidence is through physical activities, like sports or martial arts. It helps you become more aware of your body and how you carry yourself. No. 4. Deep critical thinking. The ability to think deeply and critically is one of the most important skills you can have. It's what helps you make better decisions, have smarter conversations, and live a more fulfilling life. Critical thinking isn't just about knowing facts or being smart, it's about being able to question things, analyze them, and see them from different perspectives. Sometimes we get stuck in our own way of thinking. We believe what we've always been told, or we cling to our own opinions without questioning them. But deep thinking requires you to challenge your own beliefs and be open to new ideas For example, just because you've always done something a certain way doesn't mean it's the best way. Be willing to question your habits, your thoughts, and even your beliefs. A good critical thinker doesn't rush to conclusions. Instead, they take the time to gather information, look at things from different angles, and make an informed choice. It's a skill that can help you in every area of life, from work to personal relationships. No. 5. Being good with money. One of the biggest problems today is that schools don't teach us enough about how to manage money. Many people go through life without understanding how to save, invest, or plan for the future. But being smart with money is a crucial skill. It's not just about earning a paycheck. It's about making good financial decisions that set you up for success in the long run. A lot of us have been taught that having a job where you earn a salary is all there is, but that's not true. There are smarter ways to handle your money. For example, investing can help your money grow over time. Learning how to budget can make sure you're not always living paycheck to paycheck. If you're new to this, start by reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It can open your eyes to different ways of thinking about money. The earlier you start learning about finances, the better prepared you'll be for the future. No. 6. Managing stress. Stress is a part of everyone's life, and how you handle it can make a big difference. Some people panic and crumble under pressure. But if you can stay calm and think clearly, you'll be ahead of the game. Managing stress isn't about avoiding it. It's about learning how to handle it when it comes. Often, stress comes from feeling overwhelmed or procrastinating. If you always wait until the last minute to do things, you're going to feel rushed and stressed. Instead, try to get ahead by making a list of tasks you need to do. Prioritize them and focus on completing one thing at a time. This way, you're not constantly reacting to problems, but are staying in control. Learning how to handle stress will help you perform better, make better decisions, and keep a clear head during tough times. It's a skill that will serve you well in every aspect of life, from your job to your personal relationships. Both men and women should aim to become stronger, but society often expects different things from men. As a man, you're expected to handle pressure without complaining. That's why these skills are so important. They help you stay strong, confident, and in control no matter what life throws at you. If you're looking to improve yourself and level up, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. More tips to help you become the best version of yourself. Until next time.